In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create an HTML email signature based on your LinkedIn profile information. In the end, you'll be able to paste the signature into your email client. Bybrand's LinkedIn-based email signature generator allows you to create a professional HTML signature with your professional data. With ease, you'll have an attractive signature that includes a headshot, contact information, and links to your social media. You can use your professional profile or try it out with a LinkedIn top voice such as Lincoln Murphy, inventor of customer success, or a company such as Google. For our example, we'll use Google's profile, but ideally you should insert your company's link. Click the Generate Signature button and the templates will be made available below. You can use any free generated HTML signature, click the download button or copy to the clipboard and paste it into your email client. Here's the result of pasting the generated LinkedIn-based HTML signature into Proton Mail.